Hi, Michael. So you didn't submit any questions this week with your poem, which makes it difficult to give you feedback in terms of what the kind of feedback you might be looking for. My feedback will be limited this week, and I hope that you will include questions next week. My one suggestion for this poem is, first of all, be careful with your capitalization. Like there's strange capitalization in the middle of some of your sentences, here for gray, here for navy. And I'm wondering what that's about. I'm wondering if maybe there is an intention to have a line break there or something else. Um, with this more sort of prosy lines in this poem this week, my suggestion would be to play around with this form a little bit and perhaps try it in the form of a vignette. So what you would do to like the shape of your page is you would increase your margins on the left and the right side by about 3 inches so that your poem was sort of spaced in the middle of the page, but shorter lines to sort of create a container for the more prosy lines that are on the page. So try that and see what you think. Um, I'm interested to know if that works well for you.